The first one from the raw silk patola exquisite collection that we have is this beautiful contemporary pattern in the body with the dot ikats in multiple buttas, this in black color. And look at the palla. The palla is a beautiful, absolutely gorgeous Pichwai inspired ikat palla, which is absolutely unique and so rare. So not only the design has been very thoughtfully and very aesthetically woven, the body, if you see, is very elegant and very classy, and the palla is what is the breathtaking part on in the sari. It's in pure silk, pure raw silk. Let me show you a little closer look of the material, the fabric of the sari. So if you can see, this is absolutely, so elegant. It doesn't shine like a silk. It is not dull, but it's absolutely gorgeous and gives a very beautiful look and feel. And it's the draping is absolutely, as you can see, it just falls so wonderfully and very beautifully. It just falls, gives a very regal look. Actually, the blouse piece of the sari is also in raw silk. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. According to me, a black blouse piece will just look absolutely marvelous with this sari, but you can always go in for the colors that are there in the sari, which is the pink or the green. You can also pair it up with a beautiful dhokra neck pieces that we have. To complete your look, you can just pair it up with this beautiful dhokra neck piece that we have. This is, absolutely gorgeous and very pretty. This is a brass dhokra neck pieces that is absolutely handcrafted, and this is the if you can see, it has multiple layers of the dhokra work that has been done, and it looks so beautiful. Just look at this. It looks outstanding, isn't it? So you can, you are sorted for your party look, you're sorted for your evening dinner look, or for that matter any look. I mean, this looks absolutely outstanding. We have more pieces of dhokra with us, which we will be if you want, we can just share with you on our WhatsApp number. But in this video, let's focus on the patola sari, and if you wish to book the sari, just us, WhatsApp us, or just call us to make this beautiful raw silk ikat patola sari with a lovely pichwai work and a contemporary body. So just DM us, WhatsApp us, or just call us.